That's the sensor because there's a car behind us.
Yeah, I'll just floor and keep your, keep. Oh, you're supposed to go back down. Go back down the one. Now floor it.
Holy shit!
Come on, you're supposed to be a professional driver. Dude.
Wow!
Dude, it's 0 to 60 in 1.9, and they understate it because they don't want the Senna and P1 owners to get upset that this $400,000 car actually beats those cars. So they actually say it's like 2.3 to 2.5. To do is show the air brake. I don't know if you'd be able to show it on camera.
No, I really kind of can't.
You gotta slam on it and see that brake go up. It's like the greatest thing ever. It's like your own personal parachute.
Yeah, I understand why you love this car.
Oh my god, the handling. Once you're on the highway, you go from 40 to 200 in a split second and you're just gone.
Oh yeah.
And to know that it's actually faster than the ludicrous Teslas off the start, it's like you have everything, the best of every world.
Oh yeah.
Obviously you're not saving the world, it's not electric, but it's like, it's a guilty pleasure I had to do.
Oh yeah. It's so much better than the 12C. So much better. So you know these paddles are both directions, right? So you can pull that one to upshift, you can also push it forward to downshift.
Oh cool, I did not know that. So you don't even need, if you're just one-handing it, you can do it one-handed. See, you are worth your money. That's it. And it's real sound. It's not like the i8.
Exactly.
You can go left here and turn around in that parking lot.
Yeah, so I don't have to go over that bump.
Yeah, actually, I tried. It makes it over the bump without raising the front.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say go fast over it, but yeah, you can just go around. And now that we know there's no cops, let's go left right here. Now that we know there's no cops, you can floor it on the way back.
Okay.
I mean, obviously it's your ticket, so you gotta
yeah.
You gotta figure out what you're comfortable with, but
well, I mean, we are located in Mexico, so we're fine.
Yeah, and the traction control on this car, like, oh man,
it's amazing.
Like the autopilot will drive for you in a Tesla. It feels like if you're gonna make a mistake in this car, or the ground, is not, even.
Yep.
This car is gonna correct it for you. It drives for you if it has to. It controls the wheels amazing. Yeah,
now we have a funeral procession now.
Yeah. Oh. See how long that takes. So the variable drift. This is where, like, I'm not in track mode right now, but you can literally control how far you want your car to drift. Like,
yep.
It's crazy. You have your racing helmet on?
I do. I have my little hat on. It's great.
Did you go to a carnival yesterday?
No, that's from the autocross this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a rough day for you. You gotta be doing all these car things.
I do. I see what you mean by the attention, though.
Oh no, the attention is incredible. It's all positive too. It's like a different world. When you're in a Ferrari and a Lambo, people treat you like you're trying to prove something or that you're an asshole.
Yep.
In this car, they treat you like you're a superhero, and that I don't know why. I mean, it's still a super/hypercar. Yeah.
No, it's a hypercar.
But it's just all positive. Cars pulling up.
Oh, really?
I know there's an Audi RS5. I don't know who else is coming, but Buddy said he's bringing some other photographers and car guys. I was thinking about getting BAT MBL as license plate.
BAT MAL
MBL.
Batmobile. That would be awesome.
Because I'm pretty sure BAT MAN is taken.
I think so too.
But I think it looks like the Batmobile.
It really does. They nailed the looks on this car.
Yeah, the only thing controversial, which took me a long time, I'll admit it, I'm still not 100% loving it, is the lights, the front lights.
Yep.
But when you look at it and you realize that if they had the lights with like a covering over it, the lights would look normal to everyone. They'd be big lights, and they'd have the lights inside. So basically, they were smart. Obviously, they know what they're doing. They have so much research and development into these cars that they could have the air intake, the radiator, everything they need to make this car drive faster and be better.
Right.
So they just omitted the covering, and they made it, relevant, not just as it looks.
Right.
So I'm growing to love it.
My God. That is mind-blowing.
But you haven't even really done it. You just little spurts.
Oh, this car needs Texas or out in the deserts where it's just a huge straightaway.
I haven't been to Vegas in a couple of years, so
I might have to fly out. This car. Oh my God. It takes a lot for me to fall in love with a car. I'm falling in love with a car.
I fell in love with this car just from looking at the rear end.
Yeah.
And when I started driving it, I didn't stop laughing and dreaming about it.
Oh yeah.
Ever since. I had a hard time sleeping the first week.
Oh, I can imagine.
What would you think is the optimal miles allowed for Super/Hypercar?
I mean, you own the car, so it's up to you.
But to keep its value, because like let's say 3 years from now, I want to trade it towards something even more incredible that doesn't exist today.
Go for it here.
Yeah, go down on one. Now go. You gotta slam on that brake. You gotta get the air brake.
All right.
That's good. Slow down now, because you don't know what's coming up in front. I actually, I wouldn't say I needed the air brake, but I started getting on the highway, getting towards a lot of cars were slowing down, and I just slammed on the brake just to really see it work, and it was amazing. And seeing the air brake go up.
Go for a little spurt here and then hit the brakes.
Spoilers up, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you can do what you want. I mean, it's your insurance.
Oh, I know. All right, test the brakes now. Holy crap. Okay. All right. That's...
It's instant.
It is.
And you didn't even use the air brake.
I think you have to be, like at 60.
Yeah, no, you need the air brake for it to need to go off.
Right.
But this thing stops on a dime.
Oh, it does.
And then McLaren was telling me, because the whole car is carbon fiber, with the outer part, being aluminum, just, so it will get door dings, but because literally the whole entire car is carbon fiber, there was somebody in literally what would have been a deadly crash in this car, not this one, but a 720, and they survived because of how it's
carbon chassis.
Yeah.
Is there a place to turn around up there?
Why?
just so I can have a little bit of a straight stretch.
What time is it right now?
12:40. So we have plenty of time. We just turn around real quick.
Yeah, you can do that.
Check that way.
Yeah, Tom, you can do it. You're fine to the right. Just go, gun it.
And air brake.
Did you get it?
Oh yeah. Holy. This car is absolutely amazing.
It's another level.
So, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for more content and have a great day.